think one of my ways, I'm gonna be one of those red pill type of guy. I'm gonna do a lot of research. So when I speak with facts, convictions. I'm gonna tackle into the American market, because most of my audience are Caribbean and Jamaican, and the message I want to put out there, I want it to reach American diaspora, Canadian, you know, bigger than just the audience I have right now. So I'm gonna create a platform. I'm not gonna share it with my Jamaican audience. I'm not gonna share it on my other platforms, because I don't want to get caught in the algorithm of Jamaica audience. And I'm gonna use that platform to do things like this, speak out against that. I'm that, and I can see that a lot of us never cut from the Nanya, the Maroon Cloth, or the Shamshak, or the Paul Bogle, or the Martin Luther King, or none of those. We don't cut from it, because what's the purpose of living on earth just to die and don't make an impact? What's the purpose of living and mind your own business? What's the purpose of that? Yes, it's a saying, say mind your own business, and we understand. But in the context, you'll see a video. This is how they fucked up people's life. You'll see someone come out and they'll speak on an example of Andrew Tate. And there's a 30-minute video, but they only chopped out 10 seconds of the video. 10 seconds of the video, and placed that all over the internet, and we, as a consumer, run with that. Oh, that's what he said. Damn, Andrew Tate is a misogynist. Andrew Tate, and they never really watch the entire 30-minute clip to see what the context was about. And that's what beating us in society right now. Somebody will come out and they'll say something about even CMR, and y'all don't have the full context and nothing, but y'all will run with the story because damn, that 10 seconds it touched you, or that 10 seconds you can relate to. And as good as social media is, and it's beneficial to not only myself and my family and other people, it birthed a lot of degenerates, a lot of people with no morals, a lot of people who can't, and that's how the devil works. Why you think they talk about Illuminati? I don't believe in it so much because I don't have any proof. But why would they say they target celebrities, people of status, people of influence? And that's the same thing the devil do when they give these guys a platform. We tell us, say, yo, oh, a man them love and them a male, or a girl them love and them a female. You understand me? Because guess what? A certain percentage of our population thinks like that. So if you have an influencer that share the same view as you, how many of these people can you convince? Why can't you come and influence and leave your sexual orientation out of it? Why can't you do that? Why can't you do that? Why can't you be an influencer that unbox products? But why you gotta show that, oh yeah, I am a gay influencer who unbox product? Why being gay important? Why your sexual preference important? Why you feel like if you dance up in front of kids? Some of these shit that's going on. You understand me? And because we're too tolerant of it, we accept anything from these stuff. And ain't nothing wrong with having friends or associates or co-workers or whatever they are that doesn't have the same sexual preference as you. Nothing is wrong with that. That's not the issue. It's when they try to place it on you and force it on you. That's when we have a problem. It's when you try to compete in our female sport because you think. No, you don't think, because you're delusional. Because you have this girl named Leah, I just even made a mistake too. You have this man named Leah Thomas. Talk about he identify as a female. When he was competing in swimming, this dumb stupid could never beat a male. He was ranked at the bottom of the 200 list as a male. Decide to identify as a woman. Decide to want to swim against female. Even though he was born a male, his body structure is different that allows him to do better. That is why males are leaders. That is why we're better at females at every single thing. That is why we were born to lead. You understand me? We were born to lead. The only thing we as male is not better than a female at is giving birth, because we cannot give birth. And this dude decided he wants to become a female, swim and break all these females' record as a male. And stupid ass society allow that. And not only that, the females that he swam against allowed that. I would have never competed. He would have to swim by himself in that pool. So any athlete at all, I don't know if this ever come across, because it's not a lot of y'all here. It's 49. Don't compete. If you're in a sport and there's a male in it, do not compete. Let them call you whatever they want, a bigot. Let them call you whatever they want to call you. I don't give a damn. Do not compete. Imagine you couldn't be in the top 3 as a male and you were born a male. It's like another dude did a crime. He was supposed to go to prison, in a male prison. This stupid same identify as a woman and then put him in a female prison. And in Jokafi, all of the woman them down there. These are some of the shit. And I don't want to hear it's a one-off situation. And I think this is why the world restarts every time. Do y'all know the world restarts? Whatever they call it, Big Bang Theory or the dinosaur episode, whatever. The world restarts because every time we reaches a point, God realizes that we as people, we become corrupted. We're not doing the right thing, and Him just restart the world all over again. And I'm not surprised if we're at a point of restarting. They want to bring AI into things. They want to tell you that male can have baby. They want to tell you that you're supposed to accept all of these crap. But anytime when you see me come on the internet and act crazy, y'all know because I go to school and them do some bullshit to my daughter them. Or try to teach them bullshit. They got books in the library at some schools teaching these kids to give ed. You see some of the things when I hear Molly and I say, yo, suck with me girl and blah. That's what they're teaching y'all 9-year-old to do in school. In some schools, they got the books for it. G stand for gay. Those are the things they're teaching. But I want to then try that my youth. Them mash up down at that, burn down it. Literally. When they hear about me over this, I not ramp with them. I not accept none of that. I not tolerate it. I not give a damn if I sound stupid, but I don't give a fuck. You understand me? This is me. I not put me dead for them youth here. In a them way there. You hear me? I need to have balls. And females, stop feeling like y'all could be a single parent, because y'all can't. Y'all can't. If you don't have a man and the man want to be a part of your pitney life, let him be. Don't be bitter because him cheat or because him hurt or whatever the reason may be. Don't let your child suffer because you want to satisfy your soul by spiting a man. Because most of society problems that we have is from a single parenting female. All of these guys that's giving, all of them active shooter, all of them gay boy, we feel like them a male, all of them soft boy, all of these society problems that we're having, it's from a household where it's a single female. And don't get it wrong, It's not like these females not trying really hard with their child. They are. But they just can't be the male. Don't make no woman tell about them a be male and bumbuckler female for no pick. They can't. And you males, we breed up the people, them girl pick them gone. We need stricter punishment for them thing. Because if society gonna go down the drain like that because there's males missing, we're not gonna just hold the females accountable. Because if me as a father walk out of Christy life, she forced for raise them 4 pregnant by her own. And she cannot mold them out them for mold. For live in a society without me in the house. You hear that? So I don't want to feel like we just are the woman them to be blamed. No one is to be blamed. I'm just telling you, that's what happens when you refuse as a male to take up your job. Stop joke them girl and breed him if you can't mind him. If you're not go, not another financial loan obligation as a male you have. Because you not have to have money. You can breed a rich woman. You could breed Oprah Winfrey, but you need that male figure in the house. Because you have to allow that woman there. Women are emotional creatures. She's going to soften up that youth there. When him get a boo-boo or him get a scratch, she going to kiss the female, hush him and grow him soft. That's what her job is to nurture. So if you can't buy one feeding, you feel like you're going missing. No, youth. You forgot prison. That hurt me too. So I don't want to feel like I just see woman them alone. Me I say rare. More and the man they know that. You feel like if me can't provide $1 for my youth them, me I gotta allow my wife to tell me say me can't come around me youth them. Cause the youth them don't know say you cannot provide it. See we go shopping for me youth them. Yesterday they don't know which one of the parents bought what they got to school. They don't know. They just know they got school clothes and shoes going back to school. But they know that daddy was there. They know that mommy is there. So I don't want only now head things say, true, you can't provide that. You no need for daddy. And females, stop with the little fucker style you want to have. If the man born you know, and you hurt, do not take you out on the youth. By say, oh, me nah make him see it. Him youth and him nah this and him nah that. Cause you grow and boy if you come turn fish. Look how much of them boy you see on TikTok, man, a batty boy them. Me can tell you them a fish. Man a cook and man a walk out in a them room. You can't tell boy your friend that. And your man. Cause you never have no balls, your father never there around for showing you for grow toughness. Understand me? Them things I may show you. Man they on internet a beg man money. Hey boy, your hand them a work, your foot them a work, you're not disabled. I want to know, I want to tolerate them. A woman beg, make a woman them beg. And them things like soft naughty boy them. That's why I'm glad God put me in a situation where I can give my daughter them some opportunity where then at least they now have go say boy I want a green card so a boy can treat them or they want to get it. If them want to fool like them want to fool because them have what them for have. So if they want give away their asset to boy, at least them want to do that. But they now come take ton fool. Oh, I'm to you, man. Them things that hurt my soul. You see me? Because nobody now stand up for nothing. When you laugh up with them and make them feel like them equal. No boy where a fish not equal to me.